We're all familiar with how a regular Tour-pak works. The lid falls past 90 degrees on its tether. It's just not real convenient or easy to access. You're in and out of your Tour-pak a lot. It's a pain. Okay, we've got an Ultra Brace installed in this Tour-pak. You can see already how much easier it is to use. The lid just falls exactly where you want it. It doesn't flop over on its lid past 90 degrees on the tether. Kind of like the hood of your car, it doesn't flop over 90 degrees. It's right where you want it. You're in and out of your Tour-pak probably twice as much as your saddlebags. Your helmet, your leather gear. If you and your passenger go into a cafe, usually store all your gear in your Tour-pak. You're just in and out of it so much more than your saddlebags. You'll immediately see the benefit. It also locks into position if you've got a luggage rack on the lid. It helps support all the gear that you have on it. It also gives the bike a better parking profile. If you have a wall next to your bike in your garage, you're going to be able to park your bike closer to the wall. Also, we've had riders complain about, especially here in the Southwest in the deserts where you get a lot of wind, if you leave your Tour-pak unlatched by mistake, a big gust of wind can come, blow the lid open, it falls against the tether, and we've had some riders report some damage to their lids. So the Ultra Brace protects against that as well. But again, the main reason is just the ergonomic improvement. It's just that much easier to open and close the lid of the Tour-pak. So if you're interested in an Ultra Brace for your current bike, you can find these at eagleeyegoodies.com. On the left-hand side, you'll see featured product. You can find it there, or you can find it from our storage and luggage section. And if you have any questions, send us an email to info@eagleeyegoodies.com. Ride safe.